Okay, now the second experiment will be a irregular shape of object. So perhaps you will have this kind of object which is irregular. So you have to, if you have this kind of box, meaning you are going to have irregular shape object experiment and how to find its density. I always want to remind you that the thing you have to find if you want to calculate density is the first thing mass, and the second one is volume. Mass over volume equals density. So first let's measure the mass as usual using the balance. Okay, it's stable, it's 0, and also the unit shown is gram. Yeah, let's measure the mass. It's 3.5. Don't forget to record on your lab report. So you will have this kind of table. I will provide you with the table later. It's the first, for example, the first object is 3.5 grams, yeah, 50 gram. And what else after you find mass? After mass, you have to find volume. Mass over volume equals density, yeah. So it finished with the mass for the first object, followed by measure the volume. So you can use this kind of cylindrical tube, and then please fill the cylindrical tube with water. So it's depend on you. If you want to fill until 50 milliliters, it's okay. If it's only 30 millimeter, it will not be a problem. Okay, I fill this cylindrical tube to the 50 milliliter. So as I told you that you have to use this kind of measurement, I mean eye level measurement, which will show you that it's 50 milliliter. Yeah, don't forget. So the skill how you record the data will be also graded. Now after that, let's put this irregular object to the water, and now you will find the change of volume. So this one will be it's the initial one is 50, and now it's, if you see from the eye level, it becomes 53. Yeah, 53. So it's, you can record the data like this. The phenol, or in milliliter, phenol is the initial volume before you put the irregular object. It's 50 milliliter, and then the final is 53. Yeah, so the volume of object, you just have to subtract 53 with 50. It equals 3. Yeah, 3 milliliter. Now you have mass, you have found mass and also volume of the object. Mass over volume equals density. So that's how you can find density for this. You may use calculator as usual. 3.50 divided by 3. It's 1.61. 1.16. Sorry, 1.17 gram. Okay, so after you got this, you have to repeat this process for another 2 objects, irregular objects, and don't forget to give the order from the greatest. For example, later you will find perhaps it's 3 followed by 2 and 1, or it could be different. And don't forget to mention the possibility of error. Possibility of error. Okay, and that's all how you find a density for irregular object by water displacement.